Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to reset forgotten password in Gumtree. So if you've forgotten your password and want to reset it, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. Here you can see I've opened Google Chrome, or you can directly open Gumtree application. Click on the search bar and type www.gumtree.com, press enter. You can see over here you'll be led to the official website of Gumtree. Now if you have forgotten your password, first of all what you have to do is click on the login or register button that you can see right over here. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Normally if you want to log into your account, what you have to do is enter your email and password and simply click on login option right over here. But if you've forgotten your password, what you have to do is enter your email address. Make sure you've entered the valid email address. Now since you have forgotten your password, what you have to do is click on this option, forgot your password. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll have to enter your register email address. Click on the email address box. Now enter your email address. Now click on the option reset password. Now if you want to reset your password, what you have to do is click on the link that has been provided to your email address. First of all, open Gmail, go to the new tab. Depending on the browser, you can open Gmail through various processes. If you're using Google Chrome, you can see Gmail option right over here. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can see over here, Gumtree has sent me an email. Click on it. Scroll down. Here you can see option for reset your password. All you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be redirected to this page. Now you have to create a new password. Click on this box right over here. Now create a password. Make sure to create a strong password. It must contain one uppercase, lowercase, and one character. Now confirm your new password. Make sure it matches to the password that you have entered earlier. Now all you have to do is click on the reset password button right over here. Now you can see over here you're logged into your account and your password has been reset. So that is how you reset the forgotten password in Gumtree. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.